Good evening. Good morning. 20 past 1 in the morning. And what am I doing? I'm sitting here making up audio connectors. Let me just get the rubbish out of the way. I need a red and a black and a red and a black for this end. What I'm trying to do is make, obviously, the sound for my YouTube videos a little bit better. So I've wired up the mixer, and I'm actually going to wire the output the mixer to the camera so that we can basically get it a better sound quality. And if I need to add instruments or outputs from anything, I can run it all through the mixer and combine the sound so that you can hear everything rather than just sort of muffled background or not hear anything at all. So all I'm going to do is just quickly solder up a couple of plugs. Hope you find it interesting. If not, sorry. I've cut far too much off the end of this one. I need to go to there and take about that much off. Where did I just put my scalpel? And just score around it like so, and I should be able to twist that off like that. Twist it, and there's my solder there. And a right hoo-ha tonight it has. I'm trying to find, see if I'd got any leads already made up, but I haven't. So we're going to make some up from scratch. Okay, so there we have the centre pin. Come on, sit in there. For some reason it's not behaving. There we go. And where are we there? Just back that down the outside of there. Get the solder. Put that in nice and tight. And that should just back onto there nicely. Let's just flatten it out. There we go. Trim off the end. Cable grip. Why I'm blowing the cable grip, I don't know. It's the plug that's hot. And just put that over the cable like so. And then get the body of the connector. Not straight. There we go. And there's one. Just lifting up the glasses, and there we go. We don't need to take too much off. Let's pop the end off. Now that's already been cut down there, so let's make sure we take the end off. There we go. Same procedure, just take that back like that. Just measure the end up, so to about there. Doesn't look very well seated to me. Yes, that's come loose a little bit. So let's just move that in. There we go. Give it a quick pull. Yep, that's fine. Oh, warm. Again, let's just flatten that on the end. Solder. Fingers and thumbs tonight. I don't know why it's all going horribly wrong. But yes, I've got wonderful things going on, haven't we? Come on. Get over there. In a bit of a rush. Don't know why. There we go. Yeah. Take the excess off. Plug is still warm and I can feel it. And here we go, on with the cable grip. Slide the body down. And there we go. One set of ends, all done.
What are they for?